Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to iReady Math Lesson 25, video number 4. Today we are solving word problems about money in our instruction book on pages 232 and 233. So let's go ahead and get open and do some word problems. All right, so let's look at the example. It says page has 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 1 nickel. Andre has 6 dimes. Which set of coins is worth more? How much more? So, Smarties, remember yesterday how we were solving? It was like a 3-step word problem. That's the same thing for this example. So, look at how they modeled this problem. They used a tape model. So, Paige had a quarter. She had 2 quarters, so 25 plus 25. 1 dime, and a nickel. Andre had 6 dimes. And look, Smarties, so 6 dimes with 10 cents each is worth 60 cents. Look at how these line up, Smarties. So the value of 2 quarters has the same value as 5 dimes. Do you see how our tape diagram lines up with those dimes? Yeah. So if 5 dimes are worth 50 cents, what is the value of 2 quarters, Smarties? It's also 50 cents. It's the same value. So Paige had 50 cents plus 10 cents, so 60 plus 5. So how much more did Paige have than Andre? So we took Paige's whole and we took away Andre's to find the difference of 5 cents. So, Smarties, there are so many reasons why we have to read word problems over and over again because we might accidentally miss a step. So, let's go ahead and go on to 13 and make sure that we read those directions closely. Number 13 says Anthony has $25 in bills. Name 2 ways he could have 25. So I'm going to make a T-chart. And I'm going to show 2 ways to make $25. Now look over here at our cutie little moose. It says think about ways you could use $1 bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, and $20 bills to add up to 25. So we can use $1 bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, and $20 bills, but we need to use a combination of those bills to show $25. So on my first side, I'm going to try to use the smallest number of bills that I can. So looking at my options, the $20 bill is the largest bill that I could use. So I'm going to use a $20 bill. $20. Now, I need to get to $25. Ooh, what kind of bill could I use to get to 25, Smarties? I could use a $5 bill, or I could even use 5 $1 bills. That would also show 25. All right, now I'm going to show it in a different way. Ooh, I want to use $5 bills for this next one. So I am going to skip count by 5. So here we go. We have 5, 10, 15. What am I skip counting by, Smarties? Counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many $5 bills did I need to make $25, Smarties? I needed 5 $5 bills. All right, let's go on to 14. It says a pen costs 35 cents. Logan paid with 2 quarters. What coins could Logan get back as change? All right. So a pen, I'm going to draw a picture of a pen. Ooh, there's my pen. All right. And we know that a pen equals 35 cents. Logan paid with 2 quarters. Now, a quarter is worth how? Ooh, Smarties, I'm sorry. Let me clean that up. All right, a quarter is worth how many cents, Smarties? 25. So I am going to show the value of those coins in tens and ones, okay? I am breaking up those parts so I can add them easier. Okay, so 25 cents plus 25 cents. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 20 plus 20 is 40. So 2 quarters has a value of how many cents? 50. All right, Smarties, I am not done though. So Logan gave 50 cents. So he's supposed to get some money back because 50 cents is greater than 35 cents. Huh. What kind of equation could I use to find what is left? A subtraction sentence. All right, so 50 cents. So 50 cents is 50 plus 0, right? We have 5, 10, 0, ones, minus 35. So 35 is 30 plus 5. Now, I start with my ones place. In 50, I have 0 ones. Can I take away 5 right now? No. So I go to my tens place. I regroup, Smarties. So I take a 10 and I move it to my ones place. So now 50 is shown as 40 plus 10. Now I can subtract in my ones place. I have 10 ones. I take away 5 ones. How many ones do I have left? 5 ones. And now I have 40 minus 30. If I have 4 tens and I take away 3, I have 1 10 or 10 left. So how much change should Logan get back, Smarties? 10 plus 5 would be 15 cents. So Logan should get back 15 cents. So Smarties, we had to solve a 2-step word problem. And look at what I did to make sure that I knew what was going on. I made sure to draw pictures to help me figure that problem out. All right, let's wrap it up with number 15. It says Joanna has these coins in her pocket. How much are the coins worth? Ooh, and our cute little dog says, try skip counting to find the total. Oh, all right, so I'm going to look really close. Now, all of these are the same coin. Ooh, I look closely. They all have the same back, so it's not a quarter because we know quarters can have different backs on them, right? The back side of a quarter is different. And it's also not a dime because a dime is the smallest coin that looks silver. Dimes, quarters, pennies. What is this coin, Smarties? It's a nickel. How much are nickels worth? We know a penny is worth 1 cent. We know a dime is worth 10 cents. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. Ooh, our hint told us to skip count by fives. Can we do that? Let's do it. Okay, so starting with our first coin, 5 plus 5 more, 10, 15, 5 more, 20, 5 more, 25, 5 more, 30, 5 more would be 35, 40. All right, so which one has the correct answer, Smarties? A, B, C, or D? Go ahead and circle the correct answer. Letter B, right? 40 cents. What did we skip count by to find the total value of those coins? 5, because nickels are worth 5 cents each. So we could skip count by fives to count the 8 nickels, the value of those 8 nickels. It says Mary chose C as the answer. This answer is wrong. How did Mary get her answer? Ooh. So Smarties, we have 8 coins. We know they're nickels. We got 40 cents because we know that 8 nickels is worth 40 cents. How did she get 80 cents? If I have 8 coins, what can I skip count by to get 80? 8 coins, and I skip count to get 80. not twos, not fives. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. What did Mary think the coins were? What coin is worth 10 cents, Smarties? Dimes. So what did Mary think she was counting? She thought she was counting dimes and not nickels. Oh, silly Mary. That's okay. Good learners make mistakes, right? So now she knows that this coin is a nickel and not a dime. So Mary counted the coins as dimes that are 10 cents each. Oops. That are